So I did a coffin tutorial, but I thought I should give an overview of the coffin that I created. This was the beginning one. Again, it holds a 3x5 book. So this is the final project after it was all papered and stuff. And inside of it holds a mini album. So this is the inside of the coffin. Very simple decoration on it. And in the tutorial, I talk about how your paper here needs to be 1/4 of an inch from the edge, because this 1/4 of an inch space here will go up against this on the outside here. And if you've got paper here, it may make it too tight and it may not go on very well. And with this one, when my book is in it, it will literally stand up and the front will not fall off of it. And that is with the book inside. So I thought I would do a quick little overview. This is the mini album. I haven't done a tutorial on the mini album yet. It's just three pages. Inside the cover, I did a couple waterfall pages. I did put magnets in them. This is page number 1. It opens up and there's just a pocket in there. And then page number 2, or the back of page number 1, this opens both ways. This is my second page. So I did a little tiny pocket there and a big pocket back here to hold a tag. Then the back side of page 2, I just did a little sideways pocket that will hold a card. And then the front of page number 3, this has a magnet on it, which goes on there and it holds this closed, and this will open up to put whatever you choose inside there. The back of page number 3 is just a couple pockets for some tags. And then on the inside back cover is a waterfall with 4 flaps. This is a little pocket to hold a tag. This is a pocket to hold a tag. And I had a tag with a magnet on it that would stick to the back of this, and I just don't know where it went off to. So there's supposed to be another tag like this on the back of that. I just haven't been able to find it since I lost it. Anyway, and there's the back of my book. So again, 6 inches tall, 5 inches wide. That's the book that goes inside the coffin, and it will stand up and it will not fall open. So there's an overview.